Okay, so we're doing page 32, and we're talking about federal elections. Let's see. Zaniba, would you like to read the first number one there? Voter procedures during an election.
Okay. Voter information card. Election. Election. No election. Electors whose information is in the National Register of Election will receiving a voter information card. This confirms that your name is on the voters list and status when and where you vote.
Yeah, so you can see at the top there, there's a picture here. I don't know if you can see that. You can see it on your book anyway. Yeah, this is the voter information card. And it gives you all the information. And it's from the National Register of Electors. And that's the list of everybody who can vote. So you get this, excuse me, in the mail. So it's very easy. It's very easy. And it tells you where you vote and when you vote. Yeah, so it's very easy to do. And then Manal, can you read the number 2, please?
Okay, teacher. I did not get a card. If you do not receive a photo in information card, call you lot lol local
Good, local.
Elections office to answer that you are on the voters list. If you do not have the number, call election.
Yeah, there you go, elections.
Yeah. Canada in Ottawa at 1-800-463-6868. I'm sorry, teacher. My is loud.
No, that's no problem. It's fine. It's okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, so if you get a card in the mail, and if you don't get a card, you can call the local elections office, and they can make sure you're on the voters list, and or you can just call Elections Canada. They run all elections in Canada, and the number is easy to call. So it's very easy to vote in Canada. They want to make it easy for you, so everybody votes. Everybody tries to vote. Good. So the voter information card. I did not get a card. Then you just call Elections Canada, and then or you can just phone. Sorry, you phone Elections Canada, or you can go to the local elections office, and they will make sure you're on the list. Good. And then Rashid, can you read number 3, please?
Okay. Advance poll and special ballot. If you cannot or do not wish to vote on election day, you can vote at the advance polls or by special ballot. The dates and the location are on your voter information card.
Yeah, good. Do you know what this word advance means? Does anybody know what that word means, advance?
Advance is second choose.
Pardon me?
You have
Can
a
you say
second choose.
a second choice? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
No, not really. Not really a second choice. It's advance. Advance in this way means before, like advance poll. So, say for example, say the election date was they're usually in October, but say the election date was October 15th. Advance poll means you can vote before October 15th. That's what it means.
Okay.
Advance means this one, and this one means before, so the early poll. So that's what it means. So many people can't vote on election day. You know, you could be maybe away from the country, or it could be a reason. And so you can vote at what they call an advance poll, and you just go early. You go, you know, I think about 2 weeks before you can go. And you can also vote by special ballot. When special ballot is when maybe you need to mail in your ballot, something like that. So you can do that too. So there's different ways to vote. You don't have to vote on election day. And all the information is on the voter information card. It tells you how to do everything on the voter information. Yeah. Some people just don't want to vote on election day because it's very busy. So I usually go to the advance poll because it's easy and there's less people. So many people do that too. Good. But the thing they want you to know in Canada, they try to make it very, very easy for everybody to vote because it's very important to vote. Okay. And then Zaniba, could you read number 4, please?
Okay. On election day, go to your polling station. The election is on your voter information card. Bring this card and proof of your identity and address to the polling station.
Good. Good. So what would be a proof of your identity? What would be an example of that? Can you think of something that would prove your identity?
Like ID.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, like what type of ID could you use?
And
Citizen ID.
Yeah,
yes,
citizenship card, or maybe it's like a driver's license.
Driver's license.
Yeah, something like that. That's right. So you need to bring something to show that you prove your ID. That's right. And you bring your information card and your ID to the polling station. And do you remember what the polling station is? What that is? The polling station. Remember what that is?
and the place is like the voting
Police
station.
Yeah. Yeah, the place where you vote. Good. Exactly. Good. And then Manal, you get an easy one. Okay, can you do number 5, Manal?
5.
Yes, please.
Marking the poll. Mark on X in the circle
Yeah.
next to the name of the candidate of your choice.
Yeah, very good. Yeah,
Yeah.
marking the ballot. So you've gone to the polling station, you're ready to vote. And all you do is the name of the candidate you want. Every name has a circle beside it, and you just put an X in the circle. That's all you do. It's really easy. Yeah. Okay. Many countries are the same as this. So, but many countries are the same. So Canada is not, special in the way we vote, but this is the way we do it. Marking the ballot. So the ballot is the piece of paper that you have all the names of the candidates on. You pick the one you want, you put an X in the circle, and then we'll see what we do next. So let's see. Rashid, would you like to read number 6, please?
Yeah, okay. Voting is secret. Your vote is secret. You will be invited to go behind the screen to mark your ballot. Once marked, fold it and present it to the poll officials.
Yeah, very good. So nobody can see who you voted for. It's a secret. You go behind a screen so nobody can see you vote. And then when you're finished with your ballot, you fold it and you give it to the poll officials. So they're the people working at the polling station. Okay. So that's pretty straightforward. Okay. And then could you read number 7, please, Zaniba?
Okay. The pollet, that's correct, teacher? Pollet,
Yeah, the ballot.
pollet, ballot box. The poll officer will tear off the pollet number and give your pollet box back to you to deposit in the pollet box.
Yeah. So you want to say ballot.
Ballot.
Ballot. Yeah, ballot. So yeah, so you fold your ballot, you give it to the poll official, they they rip off the number, they give it back to you, you put it in the box. Yeah, put it in the ballot box. So again, very easy, very easy. Okay. And then let's see, we'll go back to Manal for number 8, please. Can you read number 8, please, Manal?
Okay. The eclectician Rosalie when the polls calls every bolt
Ballot.
is
Ballot.
ballot
Yeah.
is counted
Good. Count it.
and the results are made public.
Good. Public.
You can see the result on television
Yes.
or on the Elections Canada website www.elections.ca.
Good. So I gotta get you to say this word here. What's this word? Manal?
What?
What is this word? See where my mouse is?
Election?
You're putting a C somewhere in there. So it's
No,
election. Election.
election.
Yeah, there you go.
Now election. Yeah,
Yeah,
now
yeah,
easy.
yeah. Now it's easy.
Election. Yeah,
Yeah, election. Yeah.
thank
Very
you.
good. You're welcome. And then so as soon as the polls close, so when the polling station closes at a certain time, maybe 8 o'clock or something, maybe at 10 o'clock. As the polls close, as soon as they do that, they count every ballot, and then everybody knows right away who the winner is and who the loser is. It's very quick. It's very quick, and then they tell it on television and radio and newspapers and on the Election Canada's website. Yeah, so it's a very easy thing to do, and it's very, very important because we need everybody to help us pick the good leaders for our country. Yeah, so it's very, very easy to do. Good. Okay, so let's try some questions on these ones here. Let's see. Rashid, would you like to do this question? I'll make it a little smaller for you.
Okay, what is the voter information card? It's A, number 1.
Yeah,
Card
card
that,
that can, yeah, go ahead. Can you read that for me, Rashid?
a card that confirms that your name is on a voters list and the status when and where you vote.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Voter information. Good. And then Zaniba, can you do this one?
Okay. Who will receive a voter information card? Election. Who own house? Everybody. Election whose information is number 3.
So electors whose information is in the National Register of Electors. Yeah, very good. Make this a little smaller. And now, can you do this one, please?
Lincoln on election port what happening if you do not receive vote information card? You can't vote, you can only vote online. You vote- Oops. You have a court houses. You have conduct. Number one, teacher?
So if you don't get an information card,
Card, yeah.
you don't get it, what do you do? So
One
you,
second.
you can still vote, but you have to do something. What do you do?
Number three?
Well, you could do that, but there's a better thing.
Four.
Yeah.
Oh my God, very long.
It's okay. You have to call your local elections office or
Yeah,
Elections Canada. So yeah, the House of Commons is the government. So you have to call Elections Canada. They run all the elections.
yeah.
Or you just call your local office. There'll be one in Kitchener and Waterloo. Okay, good. And then Rashid, can you do this one, please?
Okay, what happens if you cannot or do not wish to vote on election day? You can vote at the advance polls or by special ballot.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Good. And then Zaniba, can you do this one?
Okay. What should you do on election day? Go to your polling station. Go to the Election Canada office. And number one,
Good. Go to your polling station. Good. And then Manal, can you do this one, please?
On election day, what should you bring in the polling starting? The vote impression card and vote information card.
Didn't I?
Nothing.
I suppose it must have slipped my mind. You need to get back here pronto. I'm afraid I can't do that. Why not? With all the preparations for the ball, there's no possible way I could sneak in them. Can't be spontaneous from now on.
I'll be mad when I see it.
I mean it.
Okay, then let's forget about that schedule of yours and just hang out.
Super.
What do you think?
Number the vote information. I know, teacher, between number one and two. I do know number one.
Yeah, this is like proof. You gotta
Yeah.
show your identity, your ID.
I'm
yeah.
confused because here is a Ford information card
Yeah, the voter information card and your
and the address. Yeah.
your ID, your identification. Good, good. And then let's see, Rashid, can you do this one?
Okay, during an election period, where is the location of your polling station indicated? It's on your voter information card.
Very good. Okay, that's good. And then can you do this one, please, Nima?
okay. What do you mark in the federal election polling? And you circle part number one, an X.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Good. Okay, so let me just check the rest of this test now, and we'll see if there's other relevant questions. Just a minute. Okay. 50 questions, very good. Start a new test. Just a second. Okay. 23 questions. Let's see if they're relevant to what we're doing. Okay, going back to some we passed, I think. Here. Okay, so Manal, can you do this one?
Okay. In Canada, voting is true.
Very good. Make it secret. Good. And then Rashid, can you do this one?
Say, what should you do once you mark your ballot? Number 4.
Yeah, I think that's right. Fold it and present it to the poll officials. And then Zanima, can you do this one?
Yes, okay. On election day, where should your ballot go? In the polling box? Garbage? No, garbage. Should stay on the number 1.
Yeah, not in the garbage.
No, yes.
Okay, and then Manal, can you do this one?
In election day, what happened when the poll closed? Nobody get count for.
Sure.
Teacher, this is I read same page.
Yeah, this is the page we did today.
Right.
I don't know. 1 second.
It's number 8. It's the very last one.
Oh, yeah, last one.
The very page today was the very last.
It is-
Edward looks so good in a tuxedo. Well, Edward was born in a tuxedo.
Teacher number 3.
Yeah, very good. Every ballot is counted and the results are made public. Good.
Yeah.
Very good. And then Rashid, can you do this?
Just curious.
Where can you see the results of an election? On television or on the Elections Canada website?
Very good, very good. Good. And I'm going to stop there because that's for next day. Very good.